Let's set up the new Happy Staffy Co chew-proof outdoor bed together. This is one tough bed that comes with a 12-month chew-proof guarantee. Starting off with the ChewGuard tear-resistant waterproof fabric, insert the 4 stainless steel rods into the sleeves on the edges of the mat. Next, take the larger poles with slots and slide onto each of the rails to make up the edges of the frame. Then grab the top and bottom corner brackets along with the large screws and fix these together using the nuts and washers provided. Once all 4 corner brackets are in place, you can tighten the screws using the Allen key and spanner. The final step involves slotting in the legs and screwing them in place. And now it's ready for your dog to enjoy their new, comfy and super durable outdoor spot.